YouTube? It's your girl Life with Tage. We're back on here and we're here with a very special video today, an unboxing video. So I got some stuff from my nursing school. My stuff finally came in. It's heavier than it looks. Okay, yeah. We got the kiddos outside with us. Yeah.
We're doing a block movie.
Waiting for Ivory's dance. Yeah, so we got some things from my nursing school. I've been waiting for this. No more regular scrubs. No more regular clothes tomorrow. It's scrub time. Okay. And while we're doing this, I'm also gonna make this a story time too. Y'all, my scrubs is now burgundy. I'll do a try on haul. But we got the scrubs. They said they run big, so I got a medium. So when y'all trying on medium, I'm gonna make some what?
Put your wheels in here. I was going to use those for something.
No.
Okay. Oh, nice one.
No.
That's a command.
They gave us 2 pairs of scrubs to order first. Say hey, YouTube.
Hey.
What you out here doing? Make sure you watch your brother.
Oh, God. Dang. I like it.
Okay. Yeah, so we got 2 pants. 2 burgundy scrub pants. And a nice jacket. They gave us a jacket. My last school did not give us no jacket. They said we can't have our tattoos showing in it. I think it fit good, but we gonna try it all on together. Pay attention to that. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's dead. So we got a thermometer to take vitals. These are probe covers that go on top of the thermometer. We got our okay YouTube. Show you back. We had to get some more storage. Say hi. The thing I was most excited for, my stethoscope. Kid. Big nurse. Not little nurse.
Okay, Mom, I'm all done with the flailing. No one touched.
Yeah, you hear my heartbeat bumping away. Moving like a drunk man coming away. Listen. Blood pressure cuff. Some stuff that's supposed to go on it.
No! I took so long to clean it. No!
He's not even doing it.
Yes, he is.
He can't get over there, girl.
Yes.
Scrub top. Scrub top. Ah! And that's all.
I'm done now. Stop.
Put it back. Put it back.
I did. Hey.
Get off of her. Watch your mouth. Don't say you here.
Oh, cardboard. It's playing.
Then I definitely accidentally ordered 2 lab jackets, but I will be okay. And now for the grand finale, Cairo's new toy.
Oh, it's a Mario toy.
Girl,
Why
you-
did you give me a new toy?
First of all, this was for Cairo's birthday.
Why did you give me a birthday?
Girl, let me see it too. About to come out.
Papa didn't give me no for my birthday.
Girl, I got you stuff on your birthday. Girl, you got every toy possible. We can get you a new toy tomorrow.